Hello again, Simon St Ledger, MD of Rapid Nutrition, is here with us at Proactive Investors London. Very warm welcome to you, Simon. Great to have you here for the first time.
Thanks, Polly. Delighted to be here.
So tell us then about Rapid Nutrition. How did the company start and how did you get involved?
Sure. Rapid Nutrition's a natural healthcare company focused on the research, development and production of a range of natural life science products designed to address obesity as well as help promote an active, healthy lifestyle. The group commenced its business in Australia with the successful launch of its weight loss range under the brand name Lisa's Secret to address those rising obesity issues, which are very much a global problem these days. From a strategic standpoint, Rapid is very much pursuing a targeted export expansion strategy where the company already has well-established distribution partnerships in 3 separate regions worldwide. It also has product registrations and a successful export business in a number of other countries.
So you're already very well established. Give us an idea of who's on the board. What's the team behind this?
Very much a entrepreneurial, founder-led business that recognised a gap in the market. My wife, Lisa St Ledger, was a former police officer of 8 years, has a vast amount of knowledge on health and nutrition. She was the creator and founder of our flagship brand, Lisa's Secret, which she developed and we initially launched when we commenced the business. So it was very much as a mother of 3 young children living a healthy and active lifestyle, it was a brand that the consumer could really resonate and trust. And since our initial launch in Australia, we've seen exports grow throughout Asia and beyond in the preceding years, with our first export in China in 2004. So the management team, as the company has grown, the management team obviously has also grown and has been hand selected for their various fields of expertise.
Tell me about the other products that you have.
Sure. Well, our flagship product, as mentioned, is a range of proven weight loss supplements, with the latest iteration being System LS, which consists of whole food-based organic ingredients. So we're moving away from a licensing model to a distribution model to ensure long-term sustainability and growth of the brand, the benefits of which we're now seeing successfully feeding through the company. And as a result, the company was fortunate enough to recently secure quite a large US deal through GNC, being one of the world's largest health food retailers. Other products in the pipeline, we recently added a vegan range successfully to our current brand System LS, and we're also looking at a sports endurance range.
So you've also picked up an award in Australia. Tell us about that.
Yeah, most definitely. It's flattering that we received last year in the Australian Product of the Year Awards. Were selected as a finalist for our organic high fibre health food bar. So whilst that was flattering, I think what it really did was reiterate to the company and the team that the company is well positioned in the marketplace and on top of market trends and industry trends, and well positioned going forward as far as product innovation is concerned.
What should investors know about in terms of upcoming milestones, key catalysts, forward planning for the company?
Sure. We truly believe as a company we're at an inflection point in terms of our growth. The recent US deal with GNC is really proves to be transformational in terms of the scale of the business, both augmenting our domestic products exponentially and also having a similar effect to the number of retail outlets which the brand will have access to. Additionally, moving forward, our focus markets are the UK, USA, Australia and China. So we see there's great potential for significant revenue growth as far as geographic expansion, product development, as well as increased brand penetration in the countries where we're already present.
And talking a little bit about the shareholder base and the demographic of that sector, if you like, that group of people, you have a significant institutional bunch of investors. Why is that?
We do. We have quite a good mix of shareholders. We're fortunate enough to have, as you mentioned, some long-term supporting institutional investors. We also have family offices, high net worth individuals and various private investors. So there's quite a diverse shareholder base, which is good.
So Simon, now investors have heard for the very first time about Rapid Nutrition. What's your message to them?
Well, we see the company at inflection point in terms of its growth. All of this we see as the first stage on the road to building a vertically integrated company. From a market positioning, we're sitting in one of the largest and fastest growing markets in the world. Obesity is really a global epidemic these days. We have a well-established, strong pipeline of high-quality international partners. We have a growing product portfolio and IP which we can leverage off to introduce through to those established distribution partners. We have a very experienced management team to execute and drive the company forward. And last but not least, we have a merger and acquisition strategy in place to assist with accelerated market penetration.
Oh, sounds very positive. Simon St. Ledger, thanks very much for talking to us.
Thanks, Polly. Appreciate being here.